Hello everyone. In today's video lecture, we are going to see something on the casting. As in the from the past two lecture, I have said that if we have taken a variable from the user using input function, then it automatically takes a default data type which is in string. So sometimes we need to convert one data type to another data type. So suppose from a float to integer, string to integer might be like if you ask a user to enter a number and the person has entered 5, so that 5 numeric 5 is basically in Python we consider as a string until we didn't do casting. So here are the few the written type. You can pause the lecture video and write it down if you need. So casting in a Python is therefore doing using constructor function. ठीक है? Constructor function means the int if we try to convert to int, float if we type to convert to float, string if we type to convert to a string. So integer constructor construct an integer number from integer literals, means just converting. So it's better if we can go for the tutorial. Float if we have to convert in a decimal, string if we have to convert in a something like a string. So here come, if we define a 1, x equals to 1, y equals to 2.8, z equals to 3. So we know that this 3, because it's in the double quote, so it basically is in the string. Okay, this is a float and this is an integer. So if we convert 1 to integer, then it will return 1. If 2.8 to integer, then it will return 2. And if what we are talking about the 5 example, that user inputted 5. So if user inputted 3, then it will be in a string, something like that, and we have to convert into int using this constructor. So just run and see the output. Okay, with int done. Print y. See this 2, z 3. So this is called typecasting, means we have to converting the one variable to another. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and like the channel. Thank you.